when my loved one dies, do I need a new deed to the property? Well, it depends, because in Pennsylvania, you can actually own property in several different ways. So one is tenants by the entireties, two, joint tenants with right of survivorship, and the third way is as tenants in common. So if you're married, you would own your property as tenants by the entireties. So that means upon the first of you to pass away, the surviving spouse automatically owns the entire property. You do not need to do a new deed, and you would not owe any state inheritance tax. Now, if you're not married, you can choose to own your property with someone else as joint tenants with right of survivorship. And if you choose to do this, upon the death of one owner, the other owner or owners become the sole owners of that entire property. Because you're not married, there would be Pennsylvania state inheritance tax due, but you would not need to do a new deed. But if you own property as tenants in common, you would need a new deed, because upon the death of one owner, that owner's share passes to their heirs that would be named in their will, and if they didn't do a will, then that share would pass under the state law known as the intestacy law. You want to talk to somebody before you decide how you should own property. Don't just randomly select this, okay? But if you have questions similar to this, I mean, this is a very common question I get from clients. But if you have other questions like this, please don't hesitate to comment below, and I'll do my best to answer those. If you have a question about your particular situation, please don't hesitate to give me a call. And until next time, I hope you have a great day.